Good morning, my Christmas and decorating buddies, on this Friday, December the 19th, 2025. Can you believe we are this close to Christmas 2025? Under a week. Well, let's make the best of the rest of the time. I promised you a dining room tour. It's not as dramatic as the living room tour, I don't think, but let's begin. And it starts right here with Mr. and Mrs. Claus, who welcome you into the dining room. They're not lit up because they are on timers. Over here, we have baking Mrs. Claus with her gingerbread house, gingerbread man, and cute little lollipop. And I flanked her with two gingerbread houses, two mercury glass trees that are usually blinking, but not blinking now. That's okay. I ran some Norfolk, Norfolk, folk pine behind her, and I put in these little sugary candy canes and white lights and snow-covered pine cones. And technically, here's the Mary sign that goes with Christmas that you saw at the entrance of the dining room. I didn't put it up because it would have made it hang too low. And my son and I are both tall, and I could just see it getting torn down by somebody's head. So below the sofa table, I have grapevine trees with twinkle lights, two Santas, and Flossie and Floyd from the House of Lloyd. I absolutely love them. I've had several of them for years. Then I lost a few in a move, but thank goodness eBay sells. I put a nice Norfolk pine wreath above it. And over here, there's Gingerbread Grandma's husband. And he's holding Gingerbread House, a whisk so he can mix up some cake, and a little dangly gingerbread hanging by his side. I put a little wooden joy box under here with Christmas balls and white lights. And I even put colored lights because I miss the colored ones so much. Over here on this side, there's my Snoopy. I've had him for like 3 years now, maybe longer. And I just love him because I never forget the day I found him in TJ Maxx for under $30. Can you believe that? Hold on, let's take a look at how big he is. Do you see how big he is? It looks like he's got something down there he's sitting on. Oh, he's sitting on Santa. How's Santa get up underneath there? I'll show you Santa. Sorry. Here's Santa. Let's just sit Santa right there. But yeah, this is my huge Snoopy that makes me think of my dad. We were both Snoopy fans, Charlie Brown fans. Over here in the corner next to the egg chair, here's two more of those candy canes. Didn't have nowhere to put them, so I just hung them there. I have a berry wreath above it, and in the corner are all the pictures of my grandson. Well, a few, because he's a teenager now, and those are his baby pictures. I have another little table over here that I put my ceramic tree on, two ceramic reindeer, my Linux Santa Claus, because he's the same color. Put Santa over there. And Joy to the World back here with a pretty angel. She's Lennox. And there's the Hummel crew. I'm telling you, I had to make things fit in where they could. There's the viral Santa of 2025. After countless trips, I found me one at Hobby Lobby. Down there, I have Fritz and Floyd at the bottom. There's a Santa platter and a regular platter. Listen, I would like to have them out and up, but I don't have the room. Two Santas there with bells and potpourri in them. And these big bells that I found at Burlington. So I just put one in each. And let me put this back. My Jesus is the reason for the season sign. And these nice fiber optic candles I got a couple years back from QVC. And there's my Spode cookie jar. Let's get over here. Speaking of Spode. If I didn't change this table 3 individual times before Thanksgiving. First, I started with the Lenox. Then I went to the green embossed plates. And I ended with my Spode plates. I don't get it, but I love Christmas. And then I put my Spode snowmen in there. Oh, wait a minute, they're not Spode. They're Lenox, right? Let me see. Lord have mercy. I have them glued in there with what do you call that stuff? That sticky, tacky glue balls, so that they won't fall over. They're Spode or Lenox. One or two. I do believe 100% they're Lenox. Okay, and I put the Spode plate on a gold charger and on a round placemat. And believe it or not, on the other side of these placemats is the Spode tree. But I said, how in the world could I put that there and you would be able to see it? Because all of this part would be covering it. And I have the Spode goblets, and I have the Spode low ball glasses, whatever you call them. And I have my black and gold flatware. And here's another piece from, what did I call them? Flitz and Floyd. That's the Santa. He is so cute with his expression. And over here is Frosty the Snowman and a Santa mug, another Lenox Santa. There's Daddy in the back, gold trees. There's a nutcracker back there. There's my Spode cake dish with some glasses and green trees, a little fireplace over there. And I have my Spode cake holder over there. So you come over here, let me let you see the little ceramic salt and pepper shaker looking like a fireplace with Christmas stockings. This is the other side. The cabinet with my dishes. And I have a lot of Santa mugs. And what I did was I hung them on a stocking tree over here. My 2-tiered tray, 2-level tiered tray. Nutcrackers and another cute Santa mug. Santa on the tractor. Little angel holding the proclamation that Jesus has been born. Cookie jar shelf. Cookie jar snowman. Lenox cookie jar snowman. And this one is just a Christmas ball. Holy Family down there with lights and Hallmark. Snowman family down there. And over here is all kinds of stuff. 3 platters that match those plates. They're green. I haven't even used them. Over here is Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Live tree branches in a big stone pot with water. And this is my dining room. Christmas tree with Santa on the wall. I love those curtains I found. Up here, cedar garland, Santa, reindeer, a joy sign, candles, and Annalie, Mrs. Claus, hiding back there. Basically, this is it, y'all. Christmas tree candles, Norfolk pine branches in a vase, and let's call it Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, the last weekend before. Is it the last weekend before Christmas? Whatever. One or the other. Maybe we got one more. I don't know. I think this is the last one. Yes, it is. Because Monday is the 22nd. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all. And I will talk to you in the next video. Look at my Christmas color light corner. And Rudolph says goodbye. You see him? All right, take care, everybody. Merry Christmas.